Carmelita Escatapsi. With my capacity as school principal of Educational Learning School in Central City, I have the honor to present the candidates for graduation of the school year 2011 and 2012, which 6 are boys, 8 girls in preschool, 1 boy and 1 girl in elementary level, a total of 16 pupils who have satisfactorily completed the academic requirements prescribed by the preschool and elementary education of the Department of Education. They are now ready, ma'am, for your information.
Um,
14.
in my
14 plus 2, ma'am.
in my capacity as school division superintendent in the city division of Sangro City, and upon presentation of the school principal of the Laina Learning Center of Sangro City, Dr. Fidel Felizardo, I hereby accept and confirm the graduation of these 14 preschool pupils and 2 grade 6 pupils. And with this, you are hereby entitled to your certificate, your preschool certificate and elementary certificate as an evidence of graduation, with all the rights, honors, and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations and congrats.
Oh, pwede. Pagka humana, mag-lunch na tayo.